Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. It is a conference day, so I just want to make a quick video to remind you that there's no office hours today and no office hours next Friday, as we also have cohort conferences. We did switch those dates for cohort conferences, so they are before the Christmas break, to make sure you as the parent and the primary educator and the students realize exactly what they need to do to finish strong this semester. When we return to school, which is January 4th, 2022, it's a Tuesday, we will have workshops that first week back. The next week is actually a finals week, and so we will not have workshops that week. It will be time for students to come in and meet with the teachers that they need to finish classes with. All projects should be done. Also, power focus areas. Students need to take all content assessments for all courses in order to receive a grade and credit for that class. So if they have a red for a power focus area, that means they need to finish that before January 14th at 4 p.m. Our proctors will be working every day 8 to 4. They will not be working during the Christmas break, so make sure you plan accordingly for that. However, students can work over the Christmas break if they choose to by taking notes, finishing checkpoints. If a project's due after the break, they're welcome to work on that. However, teachers won't be grading, but the platform will remain open, and there will be no proctoring during Christmas break to give our teachers and our team a well-deserved break. So if there's any questions about that, please reach out to me via Schoology. Send me a message. Like I said, that last week in January is finals week, and so school will be open, but workshops will not be held. Students will come onto campus, we will check their progress, and we will actually direct them to the teachers that they should be working with so they can finish those classes. So more of like office hours. Oh, what else? Have a Merry Christmas, and if you celebrate Hanukkah, Happy Hanukkah. We had a break, and then we're back for these 2 weeks, and then another break, and can't believe it's already December. So I did want to thank everyone so much for your support with Joe Milo. Please lift him up this holiday season, and thank you for the gifts and supporting him. And if you have any resources, please let me know. We really want to make sure we can take care of him and helping him rebuild his house. So from me to you, I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. I hope you have an amazing Christmas. And like I said, if you celebrate Hanukkah, Happy Hanukkah. And that you take this time to recharge over the holidays. And let's finish strong for the semester. Thanks so much. I love you guys. Take care.